Very big thank you to all the members of the JCL family, head of the institute Vivek sir, all the respected ma'am, Renu ma'am, Sweta ma'am, Sasi ma'am and Soumya ma'am, and all my dear lovely friends. First of all, I would like to pay my respect to you all. Today, it is a very special day for all of us. This is the last day of the year 2025, and few hours from now we are entering into the new year 2026. So let's come together and celebrate this very special moment together, and let's take a resolution, let's take commitment that the goals, simply the ambitions and the objectives which we could not complete in 2025 shall be completed in 2026 simply. And so in this context, simply this is a transition period now we are going through. Simply, so in this occasion, I would like to say few things to all of you. It is not a, I would say, straightforward speech. It is, I would say, some valuable insights, some lessons, and some experiences which I think I have, and I personally think we should work at these things. So I want to share those things with all of you. The first thing which is in my mind, that I think in the coming year in 2026, first of all, we should have to work at ourselves. The first aspect which I want to highlight, that is work at yourself. As you all know that we have to do a lot of things within a year. We have to chase our ambitions, our purpose, whatever we have decided for ourselves. So first thing, we have to work on ourselves. Simply, whatever it is. If it is our communication skills, if you want to build up communication skills, if you want to chase something, and if you want to work on technology. So if you want to, whatever you want to do. So first of all, we have to work. We have to be very committed for that thing, that we will work at this thing and we will secure expertise in it. That is the first thing which I want to tell you. The second thing, I would say the health. I truly believe if you don't have a good health, so you will not able to enjoy the success, whatever success you will achieve in the coming times. So I think we have to work on our health. Instead of scrolling the mobile phones, being on the social media and all, you can use those tools, those things for productive use. But I think we have to work on physically. We have to focus on the ground simply, focus on the outdoor games and go and work out. Simply develop your personality. That is something which is very, very essential. And the third thing which I want to highlight, that be a responsible citizen. We are a part of this great civilization, this great nation, India, and it is very important to be responsible. As you all know that India is known for its diversity. People living out here are, they come from various diverse background, irrespective of the caste, religion, and region specifically. I would say, we have to be responsible. We have to honor. We have to respect the diversity which we have. And second thing, we have to inculcate and cultivate the feelings of patriotism. We have to be true Indian simply. True Indian simply, nationality is not only about flags, slogans, and songs. It is about the people simply. So we have to respect the people irrespective of the region, irrespective of the caste, and irrespective of the religion. So this is something. And lastly, I would say that the new year, let's take it as a kind of opportunity where we build and widen our personal and professional arena, and achieve the things, the ambitions which we have cherished in our heart. So lastly, I would like to say that keep smiling, buddies. The new year is coming with a lot of hopes, aspirations, and expectations. So keep pursuing them. Keep smiling, buddies. Thank you.